So hello guys, my name is Harsha. Today we are going to see how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy J5 which was released back in 2015. You have already seen this J5 for two videos. The first video was the teardown video and the second video was the display replacement video. So let's go inside this video. So as you can see, this is the J5. So I thought something different. In every video, I am only doing all the work. So this time, I made my mom to do this work. Right, mom?
Yes, dear.
Okay. So, mom, now power off the phone.
Okay.
நீங்க அந்த பக்கம் திருப்பிட்டா கேமராக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? So yeah, click it another time. So yeah, it's shutting down itself, and yeah, it has shut down itself. So mom, press the volume up key. Next the home button. Yeah, and next the power button. So now you might think that this phone is rebooting normally, but it's not. So as you can see, this weird animations will come, right mom?
Yes, dear.
So this is the screen. So press the volume down button one time.
Okay.
Yeah, press it. Hey! No. Mom, not long press, just a short press. Yeah, like that, okay? Yeah, another time. Yeah. So I have told my mom to keep it in wipe data and reboot, wipe data and factory reset. So now press the power button one time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So press the volume down button one time
Yes.
and press the power button.
Done.
So yeah, as you can see, this phone has wiped all data. So press the power button again to reboot the system. So yeah, it's rebooting normally. And yeah, this will flash a new OS, so it would take some time to start up. So if this phone turns off suddenly, don't worry or don't hurry up and do something crazy. Just plug it in the charger and let the phone to charge and reboot. So yeah. So this phone will at least take 15 minutes to reboot. Means go to the home page. Yeah. So as you can see, now it's telling installing application. Hammadi means everything is going fine and we have not damaged anything in this phone. So it's casually installing. So yeah, we are seeing the setup screen here. I can't adjust the brightness in the setup screen, so be happy with this, okay? So let's give start selecting our home language. My home language is English, United States. So let's give start. Yeah. So then we will go to the Wi-Fi corner. My Wi-Fi is here. Its name is Smile. Let's click it and give the password. So yeah, now it's connected to network Smile. Let's give agree and let's give next. Give agree. And yeah, it will take few moments. Please wait. Oh, it's quick. Okay. So it would take some time. It's taking more time than I expected actually. Yeah. So I will give the Gmail ID and enter inside the phone. And then I will show the phone to you. So as you can see, now the phone's background, everything has completely changed. Let's adjust the brightness as you can see. Why the touch is not working properly? Did I did something wrong? Oh my god. Why? Yeah. Okay. So I understood the problem. The battery was just 13% or something. So I just plugged in the charger another time and let it boot normally. This time it wouldn't take any longer because it has already completed its setup process. Yeah. So now I will adjust the brightness for you. So this is the home screen. What? Wait a second. Now I understood why it shut down very early. Because the first reason was not having charge. The second reason was it has updated its Play Store. Now the Play Store is up to date. So yeah. So now our phone is ready. I have changed all the background and it forced me to set a passcode. So I set a pattern lock. So yeah, I changed every background, updated all the apps, and now it looks like this. So as you can see, we have successfully erased all the data and flashed the new OS. Thanks for watching this video. Until my next video arrives, bye.